Hey guys, it's Tisha here, and I just wanted to share with you some updates that have happened within ChatGPT. I'm really excited about some of these updates that have just taken place inside of ChatGPT. I'm just going to kind of quickly go over them. We'll go into more depth into them as the days go by, but ChatGPT has been going through some changes. So let's talk about it. So here you see my ChatGPT screen. Now, in order to have these updates, you will need to be subscribed to the $20 plan. So get your subscription there, and then you'll be able to have all these additional functions of ChatGPT. It does more than just pictures, but let's talk about it. So you can actually just see here how the interface has changed. Number one, this was not here, and I'm on the desktop view. So there is a different view for the app, but on the desktop view, you've got how can I help you today? And I don't ever remember seeing this, the logo and how can I help you there? And then you've got your chat GPTs. If you have any plugins, they're going to show here. And so that's where we're showing the plugins. You can still, it's, automatically doing GPT-4 if that's what you're on, but you can change it to the GPT 3.5. And if you do not have the paying for the subscription, then you're just going to have GPT 3.5. So this is what it looks like here on the interface. That's, it's kind of similar, nothing big there. Please continue on the side here. But when you come to the menu, so you see here the menu, all the things that I've gone through here, but now you're seeing a little bit different. So you see you can message, you can start your prompts here with ChatGPT, but you can also start here. You can click on this left-hand side and click on, ChatGPT. This is your new chat icon, and then that will start. Now, I didn't change the screen because I already have one up. So, and then you have some bots that have already been created. So these are ones that I've used that are showing here. I've used more than that, so I'm not sure why it's not showing more than that. But these are two that I experimented with. But I want to bring your attention to this one called Explore. This is where the action is happening at right here. So we click on Explore. And so now you've got these bots that have been created through ChatGPT. And so you don't have to figure it out. You can use these and go straight to the point. So that's what I love about this. You can see the ones that have been created, but here's something that we'll talk about later, and that is you can create a GPT. So you can create a customized version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. So if you are a financial coach and you are a life coach and you are a preacher and you are a creator, oh wait, that's all me. You can create chat GPTs to function and understand who you are, sort of like programming it to you for that specific function. And so, my computer did something really weird. I hope that we're all recording and everything is good. But so so you can do that. Now, you can see all of the things that have already been, this is my recently used, but you can see all of the other bots, I call them, that have been created through ChatGPT already. And so you can use those. So now let me just go through just one or two of them. So then you have the Dolly. So this we are all pretty much familiar with. And this is let me turn your imagination into an image, which I don't know why it's not in that list. Y'all know I've been using that one. And it should be in, yeah, you would think it'd be in the list, but let me turn your imagination into imagery. I'm just going to click on that. And so it's basically, um, into the Dali now. Okay. And now I don't have to put, please create an image. I can just put in dog, let's say, and we'll see it generate a dog. Let's see what it does. Oh, so I stand corrected. Now, when I did this before, of course, it just did this. So an image of a dog. So it knows that you don't have to now switch though in between. And but before, what happened was that you would have to like create a new chat or something and then tell it that you want an image. Whereas this, because I'm in the DALL-E, I can ask it questions and I can create an image. And then I can also upload an image here using this paperclip option here as well. So it's creating my image. And then if I wanted to now ask questions, so here's my image of a dog. Here are two images of a happy golden retriever because I didn't tell it what kind of dog, right? So I'm loving the image. I'm loving how this looks. I love the DALL-E, the way it creates images. It's really, 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 really good to me. And each platform has its own pluses and minuses, and this one has its minuses as well, but we won't go into that. So we can, I like to submit feedback. So I want to tell it great job. I can I can click on still and do the same thing as I did before, which was downloaded. If I click on the picture now, I have to click on this eye and then it will give me the prompt. So it's giving me a description of, I just put a dog, right? But here is a realistic, high quality image of a happy golden retriever sitting on a lush green lawn. The dog has a shiny coat, blah, 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 blah. And I can copy that. Okay. So loving the DALL-E feature there. Let's go back into Explore. And now we can do, data analysis. So we can drop any files and ChatGPT is going to help you to analyze and visualize your data. This is where you can get into the classic GPT-4, no additional capabilities. Game time, I can quickly explain board games or card games to players of any age. Negotiator, I'm just loving this. I can help you to advocate for yourself and get better outcomes. Ooh, creative writing coach. So give it your writing work and then they'll give you feedback. Um, Visionary painter of digital wonder, tech support, coloring book hero, a coloring book. eh, Let's go into that one because it only did one page, but let's say create an image of a dog. Okay, same thing. Now, it only created when I did it a few times, just one page. And then it was having some trouble doing any other pages. So I don't know if ChatGPT was just having problems. I know that if you hit it during what do you call it? Peak times, heavy times. Sometimes it won't generate, won't do what you tell it to do. And sometimes it even gives you a message that says it's peak time. So, image of a dog. And look at this. Here's a coloring book featuring a cartoonish dog designed for an elementary school child. It's ready for some colorful creativity. So, and then of course, I can click on it and get the prompt for it. But as you see, it's really simple. I didn't tell it to do anything other than create an image of a dog. Now, I could get more detailed in my prompting and have it come up with a different page, but this is just a one pager. So you'll need to do this for as many times as you want for a coloring book. Now, the challenge with that is I think I would rather just go into the regular ChatGPT, go into DALL-E and ask it because there at least I'll get two. And this is one. So, depends on what you need. You might want to go to Midjourney for this. Anyway, back to Explore. So that was your coloring book. Ask anything about laundry, anything about recipes, stickers, 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 stickers. So what did I do for stickers? Stickers. Let's just click on stickers. Oh, I just learned something. It doesn't give you when you click on it, it shows that you've used it recently, but it doesn't show you what you did. I'd have to go back over here, which I think I got rid of that. Yep, it's not there. But it will create a sticker for you. So get a sticker of an African woman in her work office standing at the entrance. She is, I think she has jeans and sneakers on. I'm trying to get a full picture. Y'all know how that is in just in AI land in general. So she has jeans and sneakers on, and her hair is in a coily, what do you say that? Coily twist. Let's just leave it there. Let's see what happens. Because what it does, or what it did when I did this a couple times, is that it made it look like an actual sticker with the white framing all around it. So if you are a sticker kid, if you got an Etsy shop with stickers, this might be the tool for you. And there we have it. And so it's a sticker. Now, I didn't say faceless. So where is her mouth? But this is not bad though. This is not bad. I'm pretty much liking that. The whole thing is a sticker, or I can actually just use that part as a sticker. Um, so yeah, so there we have it. Let's go back to explore. Math. I help parents help their kids with math. Need a 9 p.m. refresher on geometry? ChatGPT says, I'm here for you. So love it. Hot mods. Let's modify your image into something really wild. So let's see what that is about. Visualize this with flames coming out the back. Take this image into outer space. Mod this to a derby race car or turn the paint jet black. All right. So for this, you will need to upload a picture. Um, Now, when I did a picture of me, as you see, that's where it landed. It said I have a hard time. It would not do. I did with the flames coming out the back, so it had a hard time with that. Let me see if there's another picture that I could do. I've got some dolly pictures in here. Um, let's try that one. So let's see. Take this image to outer space. Okay. It did that to me last time. I don't know what to get it to do to take the image to outer space without doing it in 2 steps because you saw what it just did. So let's see which one. Number two. I think. Oh, that one. So it uploaded my image and now it's creating the new image. So this is fantastic. Fantastico. Um, it's actually not moving too bad when it comes to the timing. It's 3 o'clock here, so this might not be such a bad time as far as I don't think this is a peak time. Now, later on, it tends to hose up and give me all kinds of messages and slows down and things like that. So um, it's early in the morning as well. So let's see what it generated. Oh, and it put him out. Here's the image. What I see that it put it in this format, but it made it into a man. It's not the original image, but it is still like a red coat, and but there's no hair. It's a figure in a red coat, embracing the wonders of space. And of course, if you tap on it, you'll be able to get the actual prompt for it. Yeah, so that's that one. Let's see what else we have. Mocktail, if you want to make a mocktail or a meme. So I can help you to understand the lingo and the latest memes. Let's click on there, see if it has any idea. Oh, explain this meme for me, or what does yeet mean? Or hey, I uploaded a meme, but why is it funny? So that is pretty interesting. We are going to talk about more about, as the days go here, creating a GPT. And so that you can understand how to create a GPT for your specific purpose. And of course, there are people now who created things that you can use. You do need the $20 version in order to create, as well as to view anyone that anyone else has created. So, but we will get into that. So thank you for joining. Hey, by the way, this Saturday at 10 p.m. or I'm sorry, a.m. Pacific Standard or 1 p.m. Eastern, I want to invite you to join me for the Financial Level Up Saturday. I am honored to be the first speaker in this amazing lineup. We each have about 15 minutes, so you got to get there on time. But register. I have all the links in the chat, but it's bit.ly/ financial level up, and it's all lowercase because Bitly is case sensitive. So go there, register, or go to tisha-d golston.com and go to my events page, and you'll be able to click on the link as well. But I want to invite you to come and join. My talk is flawed, but still worthy of wealth. I love to help women make, manage, and multiply money. And so one of the reasons how I even got started with the Created Urban Woman was to show women how to begin to use these new AI tools to help foster your prosperity journey. And whatever that is to you, whether it's to create a side hustle, whether it's to get rid of your main hustle and get a new one, that was my and is my whole goal. You are worthy of wealth, my sisters. So join me as I give you an inspiring talk about being flawed but still worthy of wealth. So that's it for now. Let me know what questions you have, and I can start to generate topics around this GPT, or any AI questions that you may have. I can start to generate some topics and some content around there, answering the questions that you have. All right. It's Tisha signing out. Thank you for joining me. Take care. And until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.